Welcome to A&D Mortgage's AIM. We are pleased to announce that our platform has become even more user-friendly, flexible, and functional. Now it's easier and more transparent to track and manage your loans. What does AIM have to offer? We are here to help you explore the updated functionality and new features. Once logged in, you will have access to your pipeline where you can browse through all loans processed by specific users that need to be submitted in the to-do list section. View a list of personal tasks in the My Tasks section and add new tasks by clicking New Task, describing the task, setting a deadline, and clicking Save. Use the New Loan button to add new loans by either uploading a MISMO 3.4 file or manually creating a new loan from scratch. Search for loans using a search bar and applying filters, All, Started, and Loan Setup. View summary values, DTI, PITI, LTV, etc. by selecting the loan from the pipeline and clicking on the loan ID. Find information about the loan purpose and the property the borrower is purchasing or refinancing in the Loan Information section of the left-hand menu. Click on the 1003 tab and look through all sections of the URL. Click on the Products and Pricing tab and get information about the loan product, subject property information, loan information. Lock the loan in the Rate Lock section. Click on the AUS tab and run AUS after a credit report has been issued. Click on the Request Fees button and look through all current and updated fees in the system. View mortgage insurance information by clicking the Request Quotes button in the Mortgage Insurance section. Click on the Document Manager and find all documents provided for the current loan. Upload documents by hitting the Choose Files button. Find and edit all information about contacts associated with the current loan, including the originating lender, wholesale broker, and account executive, as well as all contacts associated with the selected company. This is just a quick overview. There is much more to come. Stay tuned with A&D and revolutionize the way you manage your loans with AIM.